Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back for those of you returning subscribers. Welcome to the channel for those of you who just found me. Anyways, today's video, it's hair down. So I've got these like Fulani braids in, but they are dusty as hell. And the way I've done it, like I've done these and then like I've done box braids. Basically the plan for today's video is I'm going to be redoing my hair, but two things I'm going to change. The box braids in the back I'm going to change to knotless braider. You can choose whatever type of hairstyle you want, because you could just change it up the next week whenever you feel like something new. My box braids to knotless braids, and I'm going to do, I don't know what side. I'm going to do one side blonde. I've got this. If you like the look of these Fulani braids, please leave a like, comment and subscribe. Come watch me do these Fulani braids with a split colour, and make sure you guys like if you enjoy. Comment your favourite type of braided hairstyle. That could be box braids, knotless braids, Fulani braids. Let me know. Goddess braids, like, you know, I'm not just limiting it. Any braids that you have ever got, or any braids that you're planning on getting and you just love the look of them, let me know, because I want to know. With that being said, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the video. See you at the end of the video. I'll see you. Bye.
Yo, Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet, rep the set, gotta rep the set, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no bitch, mask on, fuck it, mask on, mask on, fuck it, mask on, Percocet, Miley Percocet, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no bitch, 2 cups, toast her with the game, from food stamps to a whole nother domain, out the bottom, I'm a living proof, so ain't compromising, $500,000 on the proof, drug houses, looking like Peru, graduated, I was overdue, pink money, I can barely move, ask about me, I'm gon' bust a move, Red James, 33 chains, Ocean now, cruising Biscayne, top off, that's a liability, hit the gas, boosting my adrenaline, Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet, rep the set, gotta rep the set, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, mask on, fuck it, mask on, mask on, fuck it, mask on, Percocet, Miley Percocet, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no bitch, photo maybe, I drive anything, buy my ring, make them go insane,
When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh no, baby, just go with it. 'Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's
I have a short explain on all of this, but I'm gonna let you guys know just in case you haven't seen that. So what I do is I start the plait and I literally plait like 2 to 3 times just to like get a little base going. Then I take the braiding hair and I put it in between my index finger, which is my first finger, and my middle finger. And what I do is I grab onto the hair from my middle finger and I tightly plait. It is so self-explanatory. Like when you watch me do it, it is the most easiest way to do knotless box braids, like hands down the easiest way.
Houses, looking like Peru. Graduated, I was overdue. Pink Molly, I can barely move. Ask about me, I'm gonna bust a move. Red James, 33 chains, Ocean now, cruising Biscayne, top off, that's a liability. Hit the gas, boosting my adrenaline. Percocet, yeah, Molly Percocet, big fun. Percocet, yeah, Molly Percocet, big fun. Rep the set, yeah, gotta rep the set. Gang, chase a chick, yeah, never chase a bitch. Big fun, mask on, yeah, fuck it, mask off, big fun. Mask on, yeah, fuck it, mask off, big fun. Percocet, yeah, Molly Percocet, big fun. Chase a chick, yeah, never chase a bitch. Chase no bitch, photo maybe, I drive in.
So, it's the next morning, as you can see. I have not woken up. Excuse. Oh my god, I'm dry. Excuse the way I look. I literally haven't even washed my sleeves yet. Yeah. Obviously, my hair just need to be done. But I'm gonna do this side this morning.
Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take it slow. Or act like you're my new. Let's get the basics. Whoa, no. He's so replaceable. You're worth that chase, your body now. It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, a collectible, just like fine china. Favorite, you're my favorite. It's like all the girls around me don't have faces, and they're saying no. Life is just a game, but I'm not playing. Whoa, he's so replaceable. You're worth that chase, your body now. It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, a collectible, just like fine china. Took me a while to find your love. Ain't no amount of time in this world. Save me a lot of time and just love me. Feel it, baby, feel it in your soul. Are you ready? I know your heart been telling you you belong to me. I know. It's alright. I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, a collectible, just like
The young boy just turned 16 and I got 6 foes and hot bikes that I rock. Ain't 3 or 4 sweeties on my clock, but all the swinging in that bikini just my convincing. So all the talk got you up, comfy stuff, cause you speak in that slang that I talk. That fast tempo with that walk, maybe the reason that all the kings you never seen. Give me that. You be talking like you like what I got. Give me that. I know you like it how I lead in the left. You could be in the back saying, give me, give me, give me. Give me that. You be talking like you like what I got. Give me that. I know you like it how I lead in the left. You could be in the back saying, give me, give me, give me. Explain to you what your body got a young boy ready to do. Take attention, let me put them things on you. I can show you why I make them straight A's in school.
So guys, that's me done. I'm just take these baby hairs down quickly just because that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. These braids look cute. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment and subscribe to see more hair videos, everything videos. I will catch you guys in the next one.